got sand in there.
You do have a lot of sand in there, huh? So Thomas, was today your first day at your new school?
And what's in my present?
Who sent you this present?
My possum.
Yeah? You excited?
Yeah.
Let's
some
open
help?
it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Oh. Oh. What do you think it is, Thomas?
It's a Ulyss book.
Is it a book?
Yeah.
Do you love books?
What's this book called?
What do you think it's called?
Ulyss.
Morris? Lessmore.
Ulyss, yes, more.
Wow. Morris Lessmore loved words. He loved stories and he loved books. Wow, does this look like a good book?
And he flipped out as the basement.
Yeah, he did. And then what?
He saw a giant books.
Yeah?
And he saw the wonderful cave. Humpty Dumpty.
Yeah? Then what?
He sells boots for the man.
Yeah?
And he sat and
Then what happened?
it's nighttime.
It's nighttime, yeah? Oh, did he grow into an old man?
Yeah. And what's this for?
He's getting old. He's going to say goodbye to the books.
Oh, is it bye-bye time?
Then he grew up.
And he grows up, yeah, and then what?
And the little girl came.
A little girl came. Wow. Is that such a good book?
Yeah.
You want to say thank you to Papa Jim?
Yeah.
Say thank you. Look at the camera. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Papa Jim.
This one is on.
Yeah, say thank you, Papa Jim.
Thank you, Papa. Can I see him?
You want to call him up, maybe?
Yeah.